Hi, today in front of me HonorX 6 and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this photo is and that it works. So let's start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint unlock method was here so fast and correct, and we just unlock the device in a couple of seconds. So I just suggested to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.